Itsy Bitsy Colors. Learn English vocabulary. Let's learn. A. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for ape. And A for arm. B. B for banana. B for butterfly. B for bus. B for boat. And B for ball. C. C for cat. C for car. C for clock. C for camel. And C for cake. D. D for doctor. D for dolphin. D for dog. D for duck. And D for drums. E. E for earth. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for eraser. And E for eye. F. F for frog. F for fish. F for fox. F for fan. And F for fork. G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for guitar. G for giraffe. And G for girl. H. H for hand. H for horse. H for hen. H for helicopter. And H for house. I. I for ink. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for island. And I for India. J. J for juice. J for jet. J for jug. J for jelly. And J for jellyfish. K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kiwi. K for key. And K for king. L. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for lion. L for lemon. And L for lips. M. M for monkey. M for mushroom. M for mouse. M for mango. And M for mirror. N. N for newspaper. N for needle. N for nest. N for nut. And N for nail. O. O for orange. O for onion. O for owl. O for octopus. And O for ostrich. P. P for parrot. P for peacock. P for pencil. P for pineapple. And P for pig. Q. Q for kite. Q for quill. Q for queen. Q for quads. And Q for question. R. R for rabbit. R for radio. R for rocket. R for rain. And R for rainbow. S. S for sun. S for sailboat. S for spider. S for snake. And S for snail. T. T for tree. T for train. T for teddy. T for telephone. And T for tiger. U. U for uniform. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. U for Uranus. And U for unicycle. V. V for volleyball. V for van. V for violin. V for vulture. And V for vegetables. W. W for whistle. W for watermelon. W for whale. W for wheel. And W for wolf. X. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. And X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y for yawn. Y for yolk. And Y for york. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zigzag. And Z for zipper. You are watching ITZYBITZYCOLOURS. For more videos, subscribe us.